we have shot a video right now. So the next thing we'll do after shooting a video is to design your thumbnail. Design your thumbnail. For example, this is Canva. I told you, oh, download this app. Even if you're an exporter or you are into any business, download this Canva app. It is what you can use to find anything, design anything, and upload on your page, whether in picture or any video. Do you understand? Now, this is it. This my Canva has opened now. What thumbnail? I've explained what thumbnail is to you people. I believe you know now. So what thumbnail do I need to design? I want to upload this video on YouTube. I'll just type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube. We must now really add the thumbnail. Let's see what they will come up with in YouTube. Okay, now you can see different formats. These are YouTube sizes. Thumbnail attracts attention. So I'm on Canva. You all know. So this is YouTube thumbnail size. Maybe we should just borrow this one. The first thing I'll do, I may just change this person's picture, except you want to use him, but I don't want to use anybody's picture to avoid copyright. And though the ones Canva give, they have license for it, so I don't think Canva pictures have copyright. No, because these are paid versions anyway, so you can use any picture you want. But if your Canva is not the paid professional version, they may not give you free pictures. But if you pay for the pro version, which is about 3,000, you can use the pro features. So now let's use this picture again, just for practical sake. So I'm going to be writing on how to shoot a YouTube video. How to shoot a YouTube video. So I'll take this one up. You all know I've already told you how to adjust. Just click what you want, take it up. So how to shoot, I'm just going to here, let's video. How to shoot a YouTube video. You see how to shoot like a pro. I'm going to add like a pro, like a pro. Then here I told you before that anything you need to add elements, you can get any pictures, anything at all. Even if you type cassava, even if you type yam, even if you type anything on these elements, you can get it, anything. So I'm just going to type YouTube logo. I can even type somebody holding camera. You know, I can type someone holding camera, but let's just use this one first. I can type someone holding camera. See, I may type a man holding camera. A man holding camera. You will see it, it will come out. Anything you type here on elements, you can get it. Anything you want to insert into your graphics, into your work, whether it's a child or a woman or anything. Now you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing pictures? These things are for pro versions. Are you seeing it? These pictures they are showing you now, these ones, look at them. They are for professionals. Look at these things are for for those who register in their pro version. Though me, I'm a registered member with them, so I have pro. But if you don't have anyone that is free, it will not be written pro. You can still use free ones. Okay, so I'm using this. Okay, this one looks like video. Oh, it's video. So I'm just going to delete it because it's video. I don't want video, so I need a let's just click photos. So anything you want, you can click photos. If it's the graphics you want, you can click graphics. So I may just look for any photo I like here. I don't know if anyone that you like. Anyone. I don't know if we should use this one. You know, just these are just adding more spice to your work. Let's see this one. So you can send this work to this one now to back. You go like this, click this position, then select backward, select backward, backward. You see, so I may just even delete my picture self. Let me just delete my picture self. Let's see if we can use this. We can use this, okay? So that's it. I may change the color to rhyme well. I may just change it to white, right? Then change this one to anything at all, maybe red. I don't know any color that will come out here, or blue. Let's just watch. Then this white, we can put an outline. Go to effects, go to this effects, click stroke, then select the color of the outline. Look at it, put black. You can decide to key it. So this is the new design I have created. You know, you all know how I got it. Now just select. So this is the new design I have created. So let's just use this one first for our YouTube upload. So the next thing I'll do, I'll just download it. I'll save it, right? That is, you all know where to click already to save it. So it's saving now. It's been saved. Let's check my gallery. Let me see what we have designed. See what we have designed. How to shoot YouTube video. Have you seen how beautiful our creation is? Did you not see how catchy? If you at least it can catch somebody's attention, then this is the other one we have designed. Do you want to become a content creator? This is our design just this evening, right? Now let me proceed to upload this YouTube video. Now if you want to upload a YouTube video, you have gotten your thumbnail and you have your video. The first thing you do is make sure that you are logged into the YouTube account you want to upload. You go right here, select the video, which one is the video? This one.
Today everybody will be talking about how to shoot a video and how.
So have you seen it now? That is it. We are trying to upload it right now, so it's loading. So the next thing I will do, I will click here this place to add my thumbnail I designed. This is this guest self. Okay, so this is the thumbnail. I'll select it, then I'll select it, then I'll click done. How to shoot YouTube video. Do you understand? Then here you see title. Somebody asked me what is title. Title is what your video is all about. Now the thumbnail is what they see before they click. Title is what they read. So now I'll just title it again. How to. I may just use capital letter. How to, so that I can professional YouTube video as a new YouTuber to get I have to type what will grab attention, abi. So you think of what will make people want to click on your video. So this is it. The next thing I'll click next, and then they'll ask you, is it made for kids? I usually like to select no, it's not made for kids, to be on the safer side, and then I'm uploading. That is just how to shoot a video, edit your thumbnail, and upload. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next class.